Sometimes the quickest way to win over a home cook is with a handy shortcut, and the ever-popular air fryer proves that point. While it may not have the timeless appeal of a cast-iron skillet or the precision of a sous vide cooker, there's no denying this kitchen staple has earned its place in the spotlight. Through countless reviews and hands-on trials with dozens of models, we've gathered all the essential insights to help you navigate the world of air fryers without the legwork. In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 air fryers, highlighting their standout features and what you should consider before buying. Be sure to check out the description below for links to all the products mentioned. Number 5. Philips Essential Air Fryer XL. Number 5 is the Philips Essential Air Fryer XL, and I was genuinely impressed by its air frying capabilities. Its standout feature is the unique starfish-shaped base, which ensures air circulates evenly throughout the basket for consistently cooked results. During testing, our homemade fries came out incredibly crispy and evenly brown, finishing about 10 minutes earlier than with most other models. Bacon cooked to perfection in just 5 minutes, and vegetables had the crispiest finish of any air fryer I tested, all thanks to the Philips Essential Air Fryer XL's smart preset cooking modes. Initially, the presets were a bit tricky to figure out, especially since each mode has specific timing requirements that can be challenging when cooking different cuts of meat simultaneously. However, once you get the hang of it, the presets make cooking effortless, delivering perfect results every time. This air fryer is ideal for smaller households or anyone with limited counter space. That said, it's on the pricier side for its capacity, and its control panel can feel a bit cluttered. Additionally, it was one of the noisier models I tested, measuring around 72 decibels during operation. Despite these drawbacks, the cooking performance of the Philips Essential Air Fryer XL is nothing short of impressive. Number 4. Ninja Foodi Max Air Fryer AF400. This air fryer is a game changer with its 2 independent cooking compartments, allowing you to prepare 2 dishes simultaneously so they're ready to serve at the same time. During our test, we were impressed by how quickly and evenly it crisped and browned our fries. The 2 cooking drawers, complete with crisper plates, boast a combined capacity of 10 quarts, 9.5 liters, with each drawer large enough to hold a 3-pound, 1.4 kilograms, batch of fries or a 4.4-pound, 2 kilograms chicken. For those who need a smaller option, Ninja also offers the Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer AF300, which holds up to 8 quarts, 7.6 liters. Beyond air frying, this versatile appliance can roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. Though like most air fryers, the reheat function doesn't fully replace a microwave. What sets this model apart is its ability to use different cooking methods in each compartment simultaneously, while the sync feature ensures both compartments finish cooking at the same time. Perfect for coordinating meals without delay. That said, the Ninja Foodi Max is on the bulkier side, taking up considerable countertop space. However, its sleek design, with a glossy black finish and silver accents, makes it one of the more stylish air fryers we've tested. Number 3. Cosori 9-in-1 5-quart Air Fryer. If you're new to air frying, the Cosori 911 is an excellent starting point, offering user-friendly features and reliable performance. With clear instructions and an easy-to-navigate digital touchscreen, selecting your desired cooking time and temperature is a breeze. This air fryer strikes a balance in size. It's compact enough to leave on the counter or store easily, yet spacious enough to handle generous portions. The inner basket is both roomy and deep, and the release button on the handle makes it simple to remove. During our extensive tests, the Cosori 911 delivered beautifully caramelized, golden brown apples that were tender and full of flavor. It also impressed us with biscuit bites that had a crisp, golden exterior and a soft, fluffy interior. The shrimp, while slightly soft, were flavorful and evenly cooked, and with an extra minute in the fryer, they would have reached the perfect level of crispness. For consistency in testing, all shrimp were cooked for 8 minutes across devices. One of this air fryer's standout features is how quiet it is. We barely noticed the fan while it was running, and aside from a few beeps when pressing buttons, it was among the quietest models we tried. Considering its reasonable price, ample cooking space, and consistent results, the Cosori 911 earns its spot as the best air fryer for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Number 2.0101 Air Fryer Ninja is well known for creating durable, high-quality appliances and the AF101 air fryer lives up to that reputation. From the moment we unboxed it, we noticed its solid build and professional aesthetic, thanks to the sleek black finish. Weighing just 10.58 pounds, it's not overly heavy, but its sturdy construction and non-slip rubber feet gave it a reassuring stability. This quality was even more noticeable after testing some flimsier models. Unlike cheaper units, the tray of the Ninja fits snugly into the fryer body with a satisfying click, and there was no concern about it sliding or tipping over, even with a firm push. The control panel is refreshingly simple, featuring 4 dedicated function buttons, no endless scrolling through menus, alongside intuitive temperature and timer controls. The minimalistic design strikes an excellent balance between ease of use and functionality, with responsive buttons that provide a satisfying tactile click. Performance-wise, the Ninja AF101 excelled in our cooking tests. It produced perfectly crispy, evenly cooked French fries, succulent shrimp, and Brussels sprouts with a golden exterior and tender, flavorful interior. Cleaning was a breeze, as the non-stick basket and tray insert can go straight into the dishwasher or be washed quickly by hand. The smooth button-based control panel is also easy to wipe down, with no awkward knobs or crevices to trap grime. The only downside? Noise. This model was the loudest of all the air fryers we tested. While it's not a deal breaker for most, the volume might be a turnoff if you're particularly sensitive to sound. However, for its excellent cooking performance, durable design, and added features like a dehydrate setting, this air fryer offers incredible value for its price and is a fantastic all-around choice. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. The same brand that brought us the beloved Instant Pot also offers a standout air fryer, and its premium model delivers some of the best results we've seen. In our tests, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 consistently produced fries with crispy golden exteriors and soft, fluffy insides, while chicken wings came out perfectly moist, with crackling skin that was packed with flavor. This latest version builds on the features of its predecessor, the Instant Vortex Plus, by adding a plastic viewing window in the basket and an internal light, so you can easily monitor your food as it cooks. It also includes a built-in odor-reducing filter to minimize kitchen smells during use, a thoughtful touch for those sensitive to lingering food aromas. However, this model isn't without its quirks. It doesn't include cooking charts, so you'll need to experiment a bit to find the perfect temperature and time settings, especially for frozen foods. Additionally, we found the crisper plate could fall out if the basket was tilted too much while removing food, and the glossy display tends to attract fingerprints. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 stands out as the top air fryer on the market. Its combination of versatility, performance, and user-friendly features make it a winning choice for anyone serious about air frying. And that's a wrap for this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stay in the loop with all our future uploads, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We can't wait to catch you in the next one. Until then, take care, and thanks for watching.